Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video we are going to learn how to switch rows and columns in Excel. So this is an easy way that you can switch it. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here my month and sales, and I want to switch this rows into columns. So this is my rows and it is changed into columns, and this is my rows and it changed into columns. How can we do it? So simple. We'll select the range which data we want to switch. So first I will select the range and we'll right click here and copy, and after that in which place we want the result. So here I want to show the result. I will right click and you will see here paste special. I will go to this arrow, or you can simply click here paste special, and then you will see a transpose. I will tick it and hit OK, and that's it. You can see my month is changed into columns and the sales is also changed into columns. So we have just switched it. So this is static value. If I change here 24 to 12, this will not change because this is static. We have pasted the value into the transpose. So this is a quick demo that you can switch rows into columns. So if I want this and make as same as the first value, so we'll copy this, control right click, copy, and I need here the result. I will go here and right click, paste special, transpose, and then hit OK. You will get the same result as we have started in first time. So you can switch rows into columns or column into rows as you required. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.